Hey everyone, this is Michael Trethart, International Technology Instructor. I want to let you know about a class we have coming up on February 23rd. It is going to be a Zoom-only session, but it is going to be sponsored by Fair Texas Title Frisco, and that's Hunter and Maggie. And what we're going to be doing on the 23rd from 10 to 12, 2-hour-long TREC CE certified course for those that are in the state of Texas and are licensed as realtors. You're going to learn how to actually use LinkedIn for real estate, which is one of the biggest mysteries of all on the internet, is what I like to say in my classes. We're going to go in and be purposeful with LinkedIn. I'm going to show you how other agents in here have been successful. And we had one agent who attended this class who ended up getting over 36 active clients in less than 3 weeks from one of the techniques that I'm going to share with you in this session. This is a hands-on workshop. Even though it's Zoom-based, we're going to go in and we're going to start to apply this information to show you how to build and grow your business with LinkedIn. So I look forward to seeing you guys very, very soon on February 23rd from 10 to 12, RSVP with the information below. Thanks.